Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to load a c02 into an Elite, what is this called? Elite 2, barreta, whatever. So first I'm just going to pull the handle back. Right here there's this little thing. Now all you got to do is unscrew it. Alright, so you unscrew it. And you just push it out like that, right here. So, I get scared sometimes when this actually punctures, but I'm going to have to get used to it. So, all you kind of do is just tighten it really fast. That's normal. And then, all you do is fire. There. That's how to load a c02 into this gun right here. Saw that? Alright, peace out. Like and subscribe.